Yom Yogurusha. Till people have to come. Already 6:30.
अभिवादन आचार्य.
हाँ. So yesterday we were discussing this thing. I mean, this is a Niyama Sotram. This Sotram which we are studying now, Gatibuddhi Pratyavsanartha, is a Niyama Sotram according to Bhashyakara and Hetupacha. And now some text yesterday it was not completed. What he says is Shabdayate Ravadatena. Shabdayate na. See Shabdayate, the Shabda is Shabdaya is Kyang Pratyanta. Shabdam Karoti ityate. Karne. Karna means a kriya.
कः प्रत्ययः? प्रत्ययः कः?
Kyang.
Kyan प्रत्यय.
Kartuh Kyang Salo Paschai Sotram is there. In Nichprakaranam you will find these sutras. Actually, there are Sanadhyanta Dhatu Vritti is there. There San, Kyachu, Kamyachu, Kyang, Nich, etc. 12 prachyas are there total, along with the fifth said by Katyayana. These are called Sanadis. So Sanadhyanta Dhatavaha is Panini Sutram. So these Sanad Prachyanta, for example, Jignasa, Jignasate. Like that, dhatus also it will become. If you add the top, etc., jignasa. Now, sabanta also it will become. So here, shabdayate and shabda, shabdam karoti ityathe, shabdaya is the dhatu. Okay, shabdayate it will be there. So here what he says is shabdayate hai because the shabda karma. So shabda karma, since the shabda karma, there is no. I mean, it is coming. So Shabdayati Devadattena, not Devadattam. Tritiya will not come here. Okay, by Sotra it is coming. So this what becomes says, no, do not do for Shabda, Shabdaya, Kyang Pratyayanta, Shabda Dhatu. Is it okay? So Devadattena, Tritiya is coming, Hetu. But not Devadattam. Chaitraha, Athavat Yajjidattaha, Devadattam Shabdayati is wrong. Okay, Devadattaha, Devadattena, Yajjadattaha, Shabdayati will be there. Devadattena, Tritiya will come. Dhatvatha Sangrahita Karmatvena, Agarmakatvat Praptihi. This is Shabdayate. What does it mean? Shabdam Karoti. That means doing Shabda Dhatvathena Upasangrahat. Yesterday there was one question by Swamiji Swapiti. See, such dhatus we do not require any upaya, any one of the 4 or 5 upayas. Swapiti by nature itself it is a karma. Where karma, outside karma is not available. Okay, that is a karmaka generally. Otherwise, the 4 upayas are given, 4 or 5, whatever it is. Upsarga also is given, Ucharati, etc. So these are upayas to identify. But there is a lengthy discussion in Mahabharsham and commentaries about this Sakarmakatva, Akarmakatva. Okay? So, that is limited. Yesham Deshakaladi Bhinnam Karma Nasambhavati, te atra Akarmakaha. See, Desha, Yesham Desha, Advanam Aste, for example. Advanam Aste, Adva is Marga. And Kala, Masam Aste, Kala is Masam. Adi bhinnam karma na sambhavati, when it will not happen to them, they atra akarmakaha. See, what happens is kala cannot be taken away. Is it possible to take away kala? Whether you take lat or lit or anything, vartamane lit, bhute lit, bhavishyata lit, etc., it will come. Isn't it? So those things are not to be touched. Okay? So the further discussion is there in Mahabharsham and Kayyata. It is a lengthy discussion. Natu avivakshita karmanopi devadattena prachayati yajjadattaha, for example. There, vadanam karma is avivakshita. So that will also become a karma. And karma dvitiya will get. Such avivakshita karmanaha are not to be taken. What is avivakshita karma? We have already discussed that from Vakyapadiyam. Okay. So, Tena Masam आसयति देवदत्तम इत्यादौ कर्मत्वं भवति. So here what happens? Masan asayati devadattam. This is kala is there. Huh? So what avivakshita karma masan asayati devadattam yajnadattah ityadau karmatvam bhavati. Isn't it? Any doubt, Babaji? Devadattena pachayati ityadau tuna. Why is it not there? Deva pachidhatuhu pakam pachati. Is it sakarmaka or akarmaka? Sakarmaka. But then suppose vivaksha is not made, avivakshita karma. Odanam devadattena pachayati. In that sense, odanam is not vivakshita. Then what happens? Simply devadattena pachayati yajnadattah. So avivakshita karma. Can it be taken as an example of this sutram? No. So avivakshita karmanaha are not to be taken. Is it okay? And now before going to Viproranyadarasyam, just let us discuss this Aryavarta and finish that job. Okay? That I have sent this sutram, Prashodaradini Yathopadishtam. Okay? You need not put it on the screen, just one of you can read out. So what happens is, Panini analyzed what thousands of shabdas. No doubt about it. But in 6th Adhyaya, third leg, third pada, 109 sutra, he says, Prashodaradini Yathopadishtam. Prashodara, etc. shabdas, Prashodara, Jimota, etc. Are there certain shabdas? Those are not touched by me, not analyzed by me. Nevertheless, you can accept them as sadhu shabdas. Okay? All such sadhu shabdas which are upadishtam. Okay? That means which are used, employed, that are there in currency. People have been using such shabdas. Those shabdas can be taken. Now Patanjali discusses the issue. Because without explanation, it is very difficult as to what Panini meant by this. Prashodaradini yathopadishtam, isn't it? It is before you, the text is before you, no? Prashodaradini iti uchyate, kani prashodaradini? You said Prashodara, etc. Generally, Shivadibhyon, Gagadibhyo yayam, like that, some Ganapatha is also given by Panini. 5 things he has given, among them, one is Ganapatha. So, Adi, etc. What do you mean? He gives all the Shabdas of that Gana. So, but here Panini did not provide any Ganapatha. He simply said Prashodara, etc. Therefore, the question, Prashodaradini iti uchyate, you are saying Prashodaradi. Kani Prashodaradini, what are they? How to know? Then he says, Prashodara Prakarini. See, Prakara, same manner which are produced. What do you mean by Prakara? Kani Punaha Prashodara Prakarani. How to know what are the Prashodaradi Prakara? How to know? Then he says, Yeshu Lopagama Varna Vikaraha Shruyante Naja Uchyante. Prashat Udaram, Prashodaram. Lopa is there, Agamas are also there. So, Lopa, Agama, Varna Vikara, Varna is changing into another Varna. Yet Shruyante, we hear those things. We hear these Shabdas, where we come across some Varna Lopa, Varna Agama, or Varna Vikara. But Nacha Uchyante, they are not being taken up for discussion by Shastram. You have not taken up for discussion these Shabdas, but they are being held. Held means in Shishta Prayoga. Because Prayoga Shanam Jakarnam. Okay, Prayoga means by whom? Loka. What do you mean by Loka? Loka is Shishta Loka only. Auto driver said like language is not taken up for discussion. No, it is not possible. So Shishta Loka, who believe in Dharma, in usage of the language also, those people's usages are to be taken. Is it okay? So, uchyante. Then, atha, this is the general meaning. Then, he goes to the next word. Atha, yatha iti kimidam. What is meant by yatha? Yatha means just like. What do you mean by just like? Then he says, prakaravachane thal. He is quoting the Tadhita Sutra. Thal pratyaya is there. La is for litsvara. Prakaravachane thal. Tatha, yatha, anyatha, bahu. Okay. In these things, like that, in that fashion, in that way, in that manner. Understand what is prakaravachana? So, prakaravachane thal pratyaya. He is giving the Tadhita pratyaya. Then he says, atha kimidam upadishtaniti. Okay, you have explained Purushodaradini yatha. Then now come to upadishtani. Okay, upadishtani means those which are taught, preached, whatever you call it. Upadishtani. What do you mean by upadishtani here? Ucharitani. Upadishtani means ucharitani. Huh? How come this vigraha you got? How did you get this kind of meaning? Upadishtani means ucharitani. Because mantropadesha is there. There is Rahu Grahanam. Someone wants some mantra. Huh? There are Sarpa mantra, Vrishchika mantra, etc. in Atharva Veda. So one wants to learn that mantra. Then during Grahana Kala, generally the mantra is Upadesha, mantra Upadesha is done, isn't it? So Upadesha is seen in that sense. Panini is giving Upadesha. Upadesha Janunasika itu Panini Sotram. When I am teaching, then, okay, if I pronounce any ach as Annasika, then it becomes Itsam, Idvara. Like that it is there. Now you are saying Upadishtani means Ucharitani. How did you get that meaning? Kota etadu Dishi Ucharana Kriya. See, Dishi Dhatu is there now. What is the meaning? Disha Ucharane is the Dhatu. Therefore, I said Ucharitani. Ucharya hi varnan aha upadishta ime varna iti. Acharya pronounced the letters. Okay, I even look at it and said upadishta varna. What does it mean? Ucharita varna. Okay. Kaif punarupadishtani. Okay, Baba, upadishtani means ucharitani. But by whom? There should be some karta. Shishta here. Here, Shishtas. Sisters are pronouncing, employing, using these shabdas. Those shabdas are to be taken. That is the meaning. Kepana Sista. Who are sisters? How will you? How will you simply? So, what you said? Shishtaha. How to decide? Who is a Shishta, who is a Shishta? And everybody will be angry if you call him a Shishta. Just like if you call, there are many people who do Kavitva. If you if you just comment, no, you are not a Kavi, he will be angry. Everybody is a Kavi, everybody is a Pandita. So, that will be there. Maybe Atmanyana Bhava. If it is Agradhupati is in Nisha, in his horoscope, automatically he will have the Atmanyana Bhava, inferiority complex. Okay, anyway. So now he says, Kepana Shishtaha, who are Shishtas? That means how to identify this person is Shishta, this person is also Shishta, this person is not Shishta. How? How to identify? And he says, Vayyakarna. Vyakaranam adhite vettiva Vayyakarna. Tatadhite tadveda. One Panini Sutra is there. So, Vyakaranam adhite vettiva Vayyakarna. There is a beautiful discussion by Patanjali. Why to adhite vetti? Whoever is reciting, okay, pronouncing, he knows the meaning. Vetti. And vetti, whoever knows, he is also doing Ajnana. then tadadhite will do, or tadvete also will do. Why Panini should say tadadhite tadveda? Then Patanjali says naitayor avashyaka samavesha. No, adhyanam and jnanam need not necessarily be there in a single nutshell. No, kaschit sampatam patati. Without knowing the meaning, one just goes on. What is the best example today? 100% Vedic scholars do not know the meaning of Veda. Why? They did not learn Vedangas and Darshanas. If you want to understand, if one wants to understand or interpret Veda, he should have the background of Shiksha, Vyakaranam, Chandasya, Nirukta, Jyoti, Sankalpa, Vedangas, and Purvottara Mimamsa, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Yoga, Sankhya, like that. Otherwise, how would he know the meaning of Veda? So, these people, whoever are reciting Veda, are simply do not know the meaning. Adhite adhyanam kurvanti. Therefore, here in the case, what happens is, Vyakarana means whoever is learning Vyakaranam, Adhite, and whoever Veti, whoever already knows Vyakaranam, both are called Vyakarana. That is what is meant by Pandita. So, Shishtaha, who are Shishtas? Vyakarana. From here only, this is Dhanyaloka, Kavya Prakasha there. As a Vidvansaha Vyakarana. Prasamehi Vidvanso Vyakarana. Vyakaranam Utmat Sarva Vidyana. Such kinds of sentences are there in Dhanyaloka by Anandavardhana and Kavya Prakasha by Mamtacharya. They have taken the clue from here. He doesn't say Vaishishtaha Vyakarana. Kota Gatatu? How come? How did you decide Vyakarana's or Shishtas refers to Vyakarana's? Why not Nayayikas? Why not Mimamsakas? Why not Vedantins, etc.? He says, Shastra Purvika hi Shishtihi Vyakaranaschya Shastrajnaha. See how one becomes a Shishta? Through Shishti. What is Shishti? How will one get one gets Shishti? Vyakaranam. He learns Vyakaranam so that he will become Shishta. Okay, if one wants to claim to be a Shishta, then he should have learned Vyakaranam. So, Shastra Purvika hi Shishti. Shishti presupposes, I mean, the prerequisite for Shishti is Shastram. Vyakaranaschya Shastrajnaha. Vyakaranas know the Shastram. Okay. Yadi tarihi Shastra Purvika Shishtihi Shishti Purvakancha Shastram tad yataretaraya ashriyam bhavati yataretara ashrayanicha na patalpam. There is problem. If you take up this route, then there will be problem. What Pandit said? To know the Shabda Sadhutva, you have to go to Shishtas. Okay. Who are Shishtas? Those who learned Vyakaranam. So, unless and until one learns Vyakaranam, he cannot become Shishta. If at all you have to become Shishta, you should know the Vyakaranam. Then Vyakaranam Shishtatva, Vyakaranam Shishtatva, Vyakaranam Shishtatva. Parasparashre doshaha. Parasparashre hancha. The prakalpante, those things won't stand. Because Pandit said, what we call Prushodaradi Yathopadishtam, he said. Yathopadishtam, he said. How the Shabdas are Upadishta by Shishtas, take those Shishtas as a Praman. So, to know the Shabda Sadhatva, we have to approach Shishtas. Now you are saying Shishtas are those who learned Vyakaranam. What? Pillar to post, post to pillar. Problem. Picture is clear? See how deep he is going. Yadi tarihi Shastra Purvika Shishti. Without the knowledge of Shastram, one cannot have Shishti. The one who has got Shishti is called Shishta. Shishti Purvakancha Shastram.
Acharya, how is it Anyonya Ashram? I mean, it's not clear. You're saying that one who knows Vyakarana, he is a Shishta.
Vaiyakarana is a Shishta.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What does it mean? One who learns Vyakaranam. Vyakaranam means a complete range of these Shabdas. Okay. He is a Shishta. But here Panini says there are some Shabdas for which you have to approach Shishtas. And Patanjali says Shishtas, okay, are called so because they learned Vyakaranam. When you go to Vyakaranam, Panini says you go to Shishtas. That means take this sutram, okay. When Panini said Tatra, Yathopadishtam, Upadishtam is there. So Upadesha, Shabdopadesha is by Shishtas. How to identify Shishtas? Just to check with them whether they have studied Vyakaranam or not. If they have studied Vyakaranam, then they are Shishtas. But Panini says Shishtas are the authority in these Shabdas, that is Vyakaranam. Vyakaranam means Sadhu Shabda Jnanam, that's all. Separation of Apashabdas, Sadhu Shabdas from Asadhu Shabdas. That is Vyakaranam, an instrument. Yakriyante Apashabdebhya Sadhu Shabdaha Prithakriyante Anim. So Parasparashraya dosha, isn't it? So he is bringing to that edge. Now prakalpante. Evam sati. Nivasatascha acharatascha. Okay. Oh, that means there is some problem for which some solution is to be offered from. Then we will do one thing. By Nivasa and Achara, we decide Shishtatva by Nivasa and Achara. In Telugu, Vyakaranam, Bhavayakarana is there in Telugu. For example, there also he says, Shishta Prayogam Grahyam. If it is Shishta Prayoga, then some Shabdas can be accepted. But in Telugu, who are Shishtas, the question will come. He did not define, nor the commentators. You were just a copy. Most of these Vyakaranams are copy, whether it is Kannada, even Tolkapiyam in Tamil. Many shades are there from Panini. Telugu completely this thing. Or Malayalam, you take any, most of the grammars, Hindi, Vyakaranam, etc. Okay. What happens? Just they have been following Panini, the best. So, so in Telugu, etc., Shishta, then what they did, Shishta means they gave the usages of Nanmaya Tekkana, great big kavis, Mahakavis. They are considered as Shishtas. Anyway, that is there. So, Evantarhi, if that is the case, Nivasatascha Acharatascha, we decide Shishtatva by Nivasa and Achara. So, Acharaha Aryavarteva. Don't think that the Achara across the globe can be taken and all of them can be called, can be treated as Shishtas. Out of question. Aryavarta only fixed. Kafanar Aryavartaha. You are using a term Aryavartaha. What are the boundaries? How to identify it? Because Prithvi is so vast. Prathanat to Prithvi. Pratha means Vyapti. Prithvi means Prathanatvi. So, how? Then he gives the boundaries of Aryavarta. Prak Adarshat. Adarshat Prak. Adarsha is the name of a mountain in Kurukshetra. So, Prak Adarshat, Ishta Adarsha. Pratyek Kalakavana, Kalaka. Pratyek Kalakavana. Kalakavana is Prayaga. West of Prayaga. East of Kurukshetra, west of Prayaga. Dakshinena Himavantam, south of Enapa, Ditiya, one sotram we are going to study in Karakam. So, Dakshinena, Enapa, then Ditiya Vibhakti will come. Himavantam, Dakshinena, south of Himalaya Parvata. Dakshinena Pariyatram. Pariyatram is Vindhya. North of Vindhya. Okay, now we have to take the extended Aryavarta. I shall explain why and how. Okay, so Yatasmin Aryavarte. What do you mean by Aryavarta? Arya Nivase. Aryas are living there. Ye Brahmanaha, which Brahmanas, Kumbhidhanyaha, Kumbhyameva dhanyam yeshante. This Kumbhidhanya is discussed in Dhammasastras, Manusmriti, etc. also. Kumbha is a patra, a vessel which holds the cereals or rice or whatever it is for 2 or 3 days. The kumbha, they fill the kumbha and go on cooking and eating. After 2 or 3 days, when it is going to mid, then again they will fill the kumbha. Actually, outside people come and put some dhanyam or rice, cooked rice, that is, in the kumbha. So, kumbhyameva dhanyam yeshante. What is the samasa? Kumbhyameva dhanyam yeshante. They have dhanyam only in kumbha, nowhere else. That means hoarding of ascetic. They are very, very strict in their discipline. Shishtatva is not a joke. No, they don't accept even one more grain if you offer. They want to maintain the discipline. So, kumbhidhanyaha, kumbhyameva. Kumbhi is this specific a vessel. Dhanyam yeshante, like that. Alolupaha. See, there is one lakshana that is called dambha. One should not have dambha. Dambha means itarebhyaha swasya adhikya bhavana. Nagesha explains. Dambha means itarebhyaha swasya adhikya bhavana. I am superior to others. That kind of feeling is called dambha. One should not have it. So maybe they have lolupatvam, lalchi, that is lust for this thing or that thing, like that. They may be expecting something. No, they don't have any kind of such desires. Alolupaha. Agrihyamana karanaha. See, the visheshana of each one is very heavy.
Acharya, all these visheshanas refer to Aryas or
What? Who else? What do you mean? Who else? Mlechas. Aryas and Mlechas only two. Don't go to Aryas, Dravidas. The thing is nonsense. They wanted to divide.
No, not that.
Sorry. You are referring to Mlechas, who are Kumbhidhanyas. They hold for the 4 or 5 generations. And then go on ending. That's why the world is like this. Your question is?
These visheshanas doesn't hold good to me. I feel like
Visheshanas won't hold good to you. You follow those visheshanas who objected you, stopped you. Nobody is going to arrest you. You also do Kumbhidhanya. For example, for every 3 days I cannot purchase. I am purchasing once for 1 month or 1.5 months, depending on the Kala Desha or Niyamas, because now time is like that. So every 3 days I cannot go and purchase. So I am purchasing 25 kilos. After 1.5 months, 1 month, 1.5 months, I will go and again purchase. Whatever I want for these days, I will purchase. Kumbhidhanya, then that kind of, now this kind of Kumbhidhanya comes. You follow who objected you. Right?
Yes.
Not good that. Actually, you can follow many of these things, but you can discuss in that movie what he says. 10,000 for Padma Shri, 20,000 for Padma Vibhushan. He says, I want Bharat Ratna. Hey, that should not be given. Police will arrest immediately. And some people telephone and please recommend my name for that. You should not have that kind of dambha that I am a great scholar. This thing, that thing I did so much. I produced so many PhDs, but my merit is not recognized. No prize or no award or reward is given. What kind of Shastra Abhyasa did you do? Is it Shastra Abhyasa? If it comes, you may accept, may not accept. That's actually to encourage others also, you may accept. If you think this is nonsense, I want to go to Himalayas, I mean, to take sannyasa, etc., you may not accept, doesn't matter. But never discuss. Never do things like that. Never have the feeling. Whether someone, avamanam paraskritya, manam kritva achapasthataha. There will be mana and avamana, both the things. So, tapas is staying above dvandvatita. That is what? is said in Yoga Anushasanam, isn't it? There will be Sukha Dukha, Mana Avamana, Arogya Anarogya, Dvandvas, fates. These things will run according to Prarabdha Karma. So, Atmanam Navamanyeta, one should not insult himself. No, it is not accepted. Dambha, okay. Itarebhyaha sasya adhikya bhavana. Due to Dambha, these people are following Kumbhidanyaha. If I do this, if I wear a kind of dress and I put the Tripundram and maintain this thing, so many people will come to me and they can start an ashrama and they can. We know we need not discuss these things actually. The people do know these things. Okay? If you are for jnana, why are you expecting all those things from them? If at all you want such kind of worldly, mundane comforts, okay, go for them. It is up to you. We do not say either go or don't go. We do not say. Because we are not asking. Na prashtah kasyid bruyat. A pandita should behave like a Jadavaloka acharet. I will give the complete verse. Jadavatu, as if you do not know anything, you have to behave in the world. Aprushtaha, without being asked, kasyajit to any person, nabruyat, don't tell this is Dharmashastram, that is Vyakaranam, this is Vedanta, you should do like this, you should do like. And Bhagavad Gita is already there. Na buddhi bhedan janayet ajnanam karma sanginam. They have been doing so many different kinds of karmas. Whether they are prescribed by Vedas, Shastras or not is a different question. But buddhi bhedan na janayet. You should not create any kind of rift among those who are ajnani. They did not approach any guru or learn any shastra for jnana. Okay, so if one has studied with a guru and learned some, gained some jnanam, he will go for sannyasa towards the end of it. He doesn't have this kind of lakshana. See how difficult the life is. This Aryan invasion theory, they were at least 1% of the people, those who were supposed, knew these things from Mahabhashyam, or Memamsa, or Manusmriti, or Amarkosha. But they simply concealed all these facts from us, Indians, and they simply just imposed whatever they wanted to do, simply to show that they are superior to Indians. In what? We want only jnanam. We don't want their wealth. What for? So this is what is said by Shankaracharya. Nityanityastu vivekaha. What is nitya? What is anitya? We will go for nitya. Anitya, since it is not possible to live without all these things. Okay, but we do not run behind them, nor do we take unnecessary advantage of people who did not study Shastra. Okay, and simply to gain wealth, etc., and to take money from them. I have given 8 Atma Gunas from, I sent that, Gautama Smriti. There's Aspruha. You should not have any desire to have the things that are owned by others. Now, okay, like, is it clear, Sai Krishna? What is your problem? I think you are bothered about something or the other about this.
To claim to be an Aryan, I have to
Not don't say Aryan. Arya in Oxford dictionary is wrong.
Arya.
Aryan is neither Sanskritam nor Tamil. Half Sanskritam, half. This is another problem. These people do not know the language clearly because they did not study under gurus. Vishabdas Tandhakarasyat Vishabdas Tannivarakaha. The one who takes away, destroys the Ajnana Andhakara is a guru. They do not follow this such kind of niyamas. So don't say Aryan, Chichi. And Aryan, including Arya. I asked that Wisconsin professor. Take it for granted. The niyamas kumbhidhanyaha, alolupaha, agrihyamanakaranah, kasyashchid, pinchidantarena kasyashchid vidyayaha parangataha. These are the 4 visheshnas. For example, you take qualified. What does it mean? They strictly follow Satyam, Ahimsa, etc. or no? Then what are you saying? Aryans invaded these people. These are also called Dasyus, as if he understood Rigveda. I have so many doubts in Rigveda. This person says, Dasyus are just Dravidas south of India. Who told you? So Shankaracharya and Ramanujacharya, Madhvaja, all these people, still there are so many people who are doing in Tamil Nadu or Kerala, whatever it is. Extended Aryavarta we have to take. We recite Veda regularly. Our children or grandchildren perform Yajnakariyam, Sandhyavandanam, etc. We strictly follow. I do not accept one more tomato from the vendor. No, out of question. Before first I pay the salary, there won't be a single complaint. I was not there late to any lesson, any teaching, class or meeting in 40 years. We shall try to emulate, we shall try to just to follow some niyams. What is there wrong? Need not necessarily claim to be an I am an Arya. Why to say? Need not say. That means you are saying this that you are expecting something. Generally, to encourage others and to make them also follow such good behavior and to be ascetic, you may say that there is. So, Vinaiva Abhiyogadina, Abhiyoga means Guru Upadesha. Without Guru Upadesha, they got the Vidyas. It is possible. Actually,
तत्र कस्याश्चित् विद्यायाः इति उक्तं.
No, Kasyaschit is an Avyayam. Kasyaschit means.
अवगतं. तत्र मम प्रश्नः अस्ति काः ताः विद्याः इति.
काः ताः विद्याः? याज्ञवल्क्य स्मृतौ मुक्ताः ताः विद्याः तत्र अन्य विष्णुपुराणे इत्युक्ते 18 विद्याः. Actually, you missed Shiksha in this term. From June, we ran Shiksha course. There I have given 14 Chaturdashi Vidyasthanas.
एवम्.
Anga Nivedas Chatvarah Mimamsa Nyaya Vistarah Puranam Dharma Shastrancha Vidya Hyetas Chaturdasha. This is from Yajnavalkya Smriti. Okay, then 14 plus 4 Upavedas are there now. Arthashastram, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda. Total 18. I did not study Dhanurveda. Texts are also difficult, but rest of the things I have studied. I have authored articles on all the 5 Vedas, Shukla Veda, Krishna Veda, like that in English. So Jignasa Foundation of America, they have put it on internet. Also on all with Vedantas and some Darshanas also. Okay. So what happens is, suppose I learned Vyakaranam and certain things with gurus. Later Sankhya, Yoga and Tantra, Granthas, all those things I studied on my own. Who will be sitting there to teach for 40 years? So, and to some extent we will study. Later on we go on applying these Vyakarana, Mimamsa, etc. to other Shastras and they gain knowledge. Like that we improve.
Acharya, these Shiksha lectures are available somewhere?
This thing only, our Sai Krishna.
Yes, you can access to Shiksha course. It has been done 6 months ago.
So where can I access it?
You can go to the IKS website and you can see a Shiksha course there. Like this Karakam course in Siddhanta Kaumudi, there is a Shiksha course available. The recorded videos are available.
Thank you.
Okay.
There you will get all these Shiksha, Vyakarana, Chhattas, Niruktan, Jyotishan, Kalpa. Fatafat. All the Vedantas and about Vedas also. Chandru, you are laughing, you are rarely seen. I forgot your name. I don't know who is it.
Acharya,
the recordings are there.
मुद्रणं तु पश्यामि एव अत्र मम समयानुकूलः नास्ति
समयः अनुकूलः नास्ति समयः अनुकूलः नासीत् इति भावः अस्तु
इत्युक्ते अत्रत्य यद् अत्र अहं वसामि तत्र किञ्चित्
काचन समस्या अस्ति
प्रातः बहु शीघ्रं
कार्यनिमग्नत्वात् कार्यान्तरनिमग्नत्वं वर्तते तस्मात् आगन्तुं न शक्नोमि Ti bhava.
आमाम् आमाम्
Any doubts in this kumbhidhanyaha, alolupaha, agrihyamanakaranaha, kasyashid vidyayaha, kinchidantarena parangataha? Any doubts in this? That is the
महोदय
ah
अलोलुपः इति कस्मात् धातोः?
lupa lupadhatuhu, lolupatvam. Lolupatvam is having too much of
किन्तु लुपधातुः तु छेदार्थः खलु?
धातूनाम् अनेकार्थत्वं. ते अर्थाः तत्र वर्तन्ते किल, ते भीमसेनादिभिः दत्ताः. भीमसेनादयः केचन पण्डिताः तत् पाणिनिना इत्यर्थः. पाणिनिना ते अर्थाः न आसक्ताः. They are assigned by others. Bhimsena Namaskar. This is Aitihiyam. Aitihiyam is Itiha. It also happened. Some people told me, I am telling you. Some people told Nagesha, Nagesha told me, these people told me. Something like that. So, clearly, if you ask for strong and foolproof evidence, that is given, but some scholars assign some meaning to this dhatu. That is general. Not completely, no, not. Because lolupatvam is there, no? Generally outside it is used. Lolupaha. Lubdha, you know? Lubdha? Lubdha, you know? Huh? Lubdha, Kshubdha, Swanta, Dhanta, Nipata is there in Pani Sutra. Lubdha is lobha. With lobha is lubdha. That the same meaning. Lolupatvam. Alolupaha, agrihyamana karanaha. The words are, samasas are difficult to understand without explanation. Okay. Akaranena. Grihimanattam nasti. Grihima, what do you mean by that? All that they follow sadachara for no reason. That means they don't mind whether someone is criticizing, someone is praising, someone is offering some Pandit Sammana. How many Pandit Sammanas will satisfy your listing? Party I attended. I told them, don't call me one shalva, they will just laugh and say, people are not doing this. This is a kind of, one may accept, doesn't matter, we are not giving it to them, they may accept what it will be encouraging for others.
महोदय अपरः कश्चन साक्षात् विषये सम्बद्धः न, तथापि पृच्छामि. कठोपनिषदि अपि नत्वा कामा बहवो अलोलुपन्त इति, तत्र कः अर्थः भवति?
नत्वा कामा अलोलुपन्त. You do not have so many desires. See, everywhere in Upanishads, Jnanam is taught, preached everywhere. Okay.
अलोलुपन्त इति किम्?
अलोलुपन्त इति लुङ्गे रूप भौतकालिक.
यङ् प्रत्ययः वा?
नलोलुपन्त द्रष्टव्यमस्ति. Alolupanta. Yes, you did not. Young look. Young look bhavishyati. Yakarah nasti kala tatra. Young look.
यङ् लुकि लङ् लकारे बहुवचनम् इति वदामः.
बहुवचनमेव. अलोलुपन्ता इत्यपि अस्ति किल. अलोलुपन्ता इति चेत् अत अन्त. अन्त इति आगच्छति चेत् बहुवचनमेव. तत्र संशयः नास्ति. Like that in Upanishads, whatever you see. So now, is it clear? Shishtas, Aryas, why they are called Shishtas? Not only by Vyakarana Parijnana, but because they are scholars in all Vidyasthanams, 14 or 18 Vidyasthanams, which are enumerated, listed in Smritis, Yajnavalkya Smriti and Vishnu Purana, etc. They are scholars in those things. And they do not expect anything from others. And all on the top, first and foremost, Kumbhidhanyaha. People may bring, sir, I want to give this thing, that thing. So in 2012, I was supervising Atiratra Yaga in Bhadrachalam near here. So there, actually there is a fence around and lakhs of people have been coming and to visit. And some people brought so many dhotis, saris, etc. and all those things. And said, we want to donate these things, we want to offer these things to Purohitas, etc. Then I said, no, this is not that kind of thing. This is Yaga. In Yaga, nobody is supposed to receive anything, especially the 16 or 17 Rithviks. They are not supposed to Hota, Udgata, Adharyu, Brahma, etc. Subramanya, All those people. No, none of them is supposed to receive anything. You take them back, you distribute among others. This is not a place like that. They want to give something, exhibit their bhakti, or out of bhakti only without any this thing they want to give. But you can't do anything. So, not receiving anything. That is Vidhanya. Is it clear now? See how difficult it is to understand the behavior of Aryas. These people simply say, all Vidyas. Then how can you expect such people, Aryas, to invade people and also killing? What is this? So each one of these so-called Aryas from Mahabhashyam, each one of them is a Kilmora. He goes on killing more and more people. He is Mr. Kilmore, just like Gromore Manure.
Acharya, I heard something else. I mean, not about Aryas, but Rishis are the people who came from Russia. Just for fun.
Yeah, even in 16th century, London was very bad. The roads were very bad. The Atlantic has come. Why should they come? This you can quote.
And he was matching this. I mean, Russia.
Like, there are so many kinds of enterprise. I have seen some of them.
Yeah, he was from HCU.
Huh?
He was from HCU. He was one of the professors from
From
HCU.
Bhuyat. Ask him what he studied, who was his guru first of all. Later on you can discuss.
His name was, I think, some Krishna.
You do not name anybody on public forums, especially like this, and it will be recorded. Not good. But there are people from different places, they go on writing. They never sat before any guru. They never learned a single sutram, single concept with any guru. By birth, they think they are scholars. There are so many people like that. And nowadays, how bad the situation, there is no jignasa to study Shastra in people. Once he gets a job, especially in a university, bas, finished, forget about it. He doesn't want to touch a book. But if you want to be a good teacher or guru, first of all, you should have anabhyase visham shastram, ajirne bhojanam visham. Why should anybody tell us? So, people are simply after money. If I get money, enough. I don't care for anybody. And whatever he says, one faculty from our department was doing reading presently same paper at 4 places. Another one from another university was giving a lecture wherever you go on Munda language. The Munda language is there in Chhattisgarh. What should they do? What are you going to do with Munda language? Munda means in Telugu, this Vidhava without husband, the lady without whose husband has died. He is called Munda in Telugu. Anyway, whatever it is. So what happens is people, they want more and more promotions, this thing, that thing. And such people have come there and they occupy the seats. Professors had doing like this thing, that thing. What? So the students started before my retirement, 1917, 18, the students started questioning why this teacher, she is coming to class without preparation, she is not teaching anything. Both of us will teach, I said, and they said, no, we don't want her teaching. Oh, what to do? Because she is appointed. You cannot do. Students are not satisfied with her teaching. Lingam avivakshitam. Lingam is not, he is teaching also. There are such people also. Lingam avivakshitam. Shastriya terminology. Rajiv, any doubts? You are thinking deeply about Aryavarta, I think. I mean, Arya Shikshas. Any doubts, please?
One scholar was giving logic that why they came from Russia or cold country. He says now the Brahmanas or Aryas, they give too much stress for taking bath because they came from the cold place. This is the logic.
Funny. Yes, you are right. So many kinds of logics are offered. Why they came from here. nomads. Someone was writing nomads. What do you think? What is this Vijnanam? This is Jnanam. So many Shastras, libraries, behavior. First you take the behavior, nothing else. Then you go for other kinds of Pandityam, scholarship, whatever it is. But that what do you understand the Sai Krishna by this? See, 4 things are there. Purushartha, in Shukla Yajurveda, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Panini calls them Bhogas. Who are they? Bhogas. What he meant by Bhogas? Artha, Kama, Pradhanaha. They don't want either Dharma or Moksha. Simply earn money by some means or the other. And Bhagavad Gita says, no, Kamamo, Het Kamahitikam, Aparaspara Sambhotam. This Jagat is Asatyam Apratishtancha. Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma is wrong. In Bhagavad Gita, he was giving the, what they call, the matam of Charvakas, Charuvak, Charvak. Asatyam Apratishtancha. Dharme Pratishtinam. No Dharma, no Pratishtha, nothing. Jagadahurani Ishwaram. Who is Ishvara? Where is Ishvara? But how come you cannot maintain the same age, health, etc.? I fail to understand. Huh? How come your age is just advancing and you are going to die? Why can't you prevent death? My question. Direct answer I want. I don't want unnecessary discussions. Why can't you be there at 30 years old, just like Devata, and have all the enjoyment? Why are you like that? In Krutayuga, people, one verse is there in Charaka Samhita. People did not know what is Anarogyam. Slowly it was coming. So in Kali Yuga, because Shri Krishna was 120 years, roughly. Arjuna was 90 years. That Yuga Lakshana, Yuga Dharma was different. Nowadays, he says in Charaka Samhita that verse, a person starts giving lecture. Actually, why this heart attack is coming to so many people is, he got heart attack. No. So, people, actually, many people want to have control upon the entire world. Hitler means leader of the world. But fortunately, unfortunately, it is not there. From one side, fortunately, other side. So they bring some words from Russia, etc., and say Rishis are from Motherland. Ask him who is Rishi? What is meant by Rishi? Rishi means Veda. Rishi Pathati, Tadruktam Rishina, usages are there. Rasha Aparoksha Rishini. Rishi, Vasishtha, okay, held the Sama. Drishtam Sama. Panini says one sotram Drishtam Sama, Vasishtena Drishtam Sama, Vasishtam Sama, and Pratyaya. So in Upanishads it is stated that all Indriyas can do all activities. Okay, so Drishtam is not contradictory. Those people who do not know these Upanishads say, how Panini wrote that Sotra? Huh? What did he say? There is what is Magasam Desha? Kaschit Kanta Viraha Guna Sneha
Adhikarat Pramattaha Gamita Mahima Shapena Stangamita Mahima Varsha
Kena Bhartu
Yakshashakre
Janakatamaya Snana Punyodakeshu Sriddha Chaya Paruvatapi Magidiyashnameshu, something like Mandakra. Kaschit, what is this starting? Kaschit Kanta. Hey, what is this Kaligasa? Kaschit Pumlinga. Kanta Strilinga. Kachit Kanta, it should be. Why Kaschit Kanta? How? Question is clear? Kaschana Janaha. Something you can say. Kaschin Janaha, Kaschit Yaksha is the Anvaya. But here what he says? Kanta is there, Kaschit is there. Kaschit is bad, wrong distinction because Yadvachanam Yellingan Yadvachanam Yachi Vibhakti Viseshyasya Kallingan Tadvachanam सा च विशेषणस्यापि. So visheshana, so kachitanta viraha guna, you should have in. That's why they committed a mistake in the beginning itself. So Kasidyakshaschakre. But they are the least bothered. They immediately come to a conclusion. And the sutram is dangerous. Sutram is publish or perish. In America, etc. But they say either you publish. What did you publish? Don't ask that question. You published or not? It is in print or not? Nowadays it is on what is the internet. Huh? Publish or perish. You won't get promotion. So everybody, after studying Panchasandhis, Kaumudi, he wants to write a paper on Panini. What Panini said? When I said on the other class about Prakrita Bhasha, Prakritehe, idam Prakritam. Prakriti is Sanskritam, from Sanskritam. This Paishachi, Ardhamagadhi, Magadhi, all these Prakrita Bhasha said. Then someone was telling, writing, no, this is wrong. He did not study Sanskritam. He doesn't know the meaning of the word Sanskritam. No, this is wrong. Actually, from Prakritas only Sanskritam has. He was taught like that. What can we do? Because the teachers themselves do not know. They become gurus. They become teachers, professors. Professor is superior to guru. Professor is superior to acharya. So we cannot, it is actually, it is very difficult to retrieve or bring back this kind of thing. So these are the qualifications of Arya. So what he says is, just let us complete quickly. Then this our Kajita goes on quoting Vakyapadiyam, Avirbhota Prakashanam, Anubhapratachetasam, Atidanagatha Jnanam, Pratyakshan Navisishyate. That is Yogi Pratyakshan. So whatever you have quoted from Kathopanishad is here Anubhapratachetasam. Upaplava is not happening to their minds. Whether they got a lot of things, wealth, or lost everything. They are Vitaraga Bhaya Krodha Sthitadhir Muniruchyate. Okay, Sthita Prajna. There will be both. For everybody, there will be both. But who is not moved away? Anupaplata Chetasam. Their Chetas mind is not Upaplata. Upaplata means getting agitated. You referred to Alonupanta something Kamaha Hejana from Upanishad. Okay. Avirbhuta Prakasha. Atita Anagata Jnanam. That is, Jnanam will be either Atita or Anagata, Bhota or Bhavishyat. Pratyakshan Navisishyate. That is as good as the Pratyaksha. Where is this? Yoga Anushasana. If one follows Satyam, he can offer a shapa. In case of. And when he does this Yoga Bhyasa, whatever he said in Yoga Anushasana, he can count the stars. He would know the Bhota, Bhavishyat and Vartamana. So Panini was at that level, so he said, Vartamane Lat. He doesn't explain. He need not. And those who understand what is Yogi Pratyaksham would know how Panini said Vartamane, because Vartamana is not available. Bhota I can say, where I studied what I did. Bhavishyat also to some extent, maybe depending with whatever little jnanam I have in Jyotisham, I may say Bhavishyat also to some extent. Vartamana. Difficult. But all the three, Trikala Vedinaha, Tribhavaha, there the word used by Patanjali is Tribhavaha. Trishu Bhaveshu, Bhavana Yashante. Bhaveshu means three, Kaleshu. Bhava is something but Kala. Bhava Padartha, Bhava Padartha. Sarvatha, Sarvatra, Sarvada, Padarthanam Tavato, Kalena Saha, Sambandhaha, Astyeva. Without Kalika Sambandha, show me a single thing. So that is what you discussed in Jayate Stvardhate Viparanavate Apakshijate Venashitishad Bhava Vikarams. You discussed in Niruptam. We have studied different Shastras. We can make a Samanvaya. So in Vedanta, Tattu Samarvayat, the fourth sutram in Vedanta, Badarayana. Okay. So, that he says, and then Ati Indriyana Samvedyan. See, beautifully he says in Vakyapadiyam, this is from Brahmakanda, first Kanda. Ati Indriyan, beyond the capacity of Indriyas. Indriyas cannot catch them. Apraha, Kyamanasa Saha. Atma, Apraha, coming back. Manasa Saha, Yatova, Yonivatante, Apraha, Kyamanasa Saha. Taitriya Upanishad. Words cannot express, cannot explain what Atma is. Atindriyan asamvedyan, by ordinary indriyas, sense organs, it is not possible to know what it is. Asamvedyan, pashyanti arshena chakshusha, arsha, vishehe idam arsham. That means yogi. Yogi chakshus, that means yogi pratyakshan. By that they are pashyanti, they can see. Just direct contact, they can perceive. Direct contact with indriyas. For those people, one may try, there is nothing wrong. Ye bhavan vachanam tesham lanumanena vadhyate. Tesham vachanam Panadikachyayata Patanjalyadinam vachanam anumanena vadhyate. That is Shushkataka you are bringing in. How could they see? I am not able to see. Since you are not able to see, how can you say that everybody cannot see? How can you judge everybody? The other day I was challenging. Let us invite 2 lakh people. Okay, bring a nail full of rust of your choice. I don't bring. I will just pierce into my hand before everybody. I won't get septic. No, I do not take TT. What is it? Toxin. Tetanus toxide. No, I won't get. I am not affected by tetanus toxide. You people, if somewhere something by mistake, if something is cut, immediately you are going and getting tetanus toxide. Tetanus is dhanurvata. No, who said? Fear is the cause of more than half of the diseases. So sometimes something happens. Shitoshna Divishanyhatam Shankaracharya Upadesh Panchakam. There will be too much of cold, there will be too much of hot heat. It's a hiyatam, Visheshen Sahiyatam. What to do? And don't complain time and again, time and again. This is just a Kalachakra. It runs like that. So by that, sometimes you may not have good sleep at night. Sometimes you may have too much of sleep, even during daytime. It depends upon the Desha Kala Patra. Patra is dish. What are you eating? And also age. Kala means age also. Yesterday I forgot to tell one thing. Bala Prana Prada Prokta. That verse I gave now. There one may ask you, how can you say? Just to give one example, 1 or 2 examples. Take pepper. Pepper is both black and white in Kerala. Okay, we generally use black pepper now. If the pepper is raw pepper, it causes plant kapha. Kapha dosha will increase. What is health? Samanyam samanasthiti of vata, pitta, kapha. The 3 humors, whatever it is, doshatrayam, isn't it? So kapha will increase if one consumes raw pepper. If one consumes dry pepper, the plum will be clear. That means this is the actually, if you want to use this kind of whatever it is, shaka or paka, whatever it should be in Sharad Ritu, it should be in Vasant Ritu. All these details are provided in Sushyata Samhita and Charaka Samhita. Similarly, suppose one has got some problem with stomach. Okay, the raw banana would help him to heal up all that. One is suffering from, for example, say dehydration motions. Don't give him ripe banana, but don't give him banana fruit. Give him banana raw banana. That means at different times, padarthaha, bhavaha, padarthaha have got different characteristics, different gunas. Similarly, a kanya also at a young age would help him increasing the longevity and so on and so forth. Any doubts? That is, you have to discuss all the things. Samanvaya should be there, whether you quote Veda or Bhagavad Gita or Ayurveda or whatever it is.
अवस्था वाक्यपदे एव उक्तं किल महोदय अवस्थादेशकालानां भेदात् भिन्नासु शक्तिषु
There itself, this is given. This verse is given. The same verse in Brahmakanda you are quoting. So, avastha, desha, kala, bhinnasu. Then Shakti will be different. You cannot deny. When I am young, I used to ride at 700 kilometers per hour again, the longer distances on motorcycle. Today, I may not prefer. That is just the kala prabhava. Kala means age. Okay. So, desha, in a particular desha, suppose cold countries, digestive system is not very strong. In hot countries, it is different. And if those people pass comments, Indians are eating time and again, because here that weather, I mean, the conditions are different. It is a tropical country. What to do? And people are napping at least in 20 tropical countries. After meals, people are going for sleep, napping, daytime. And Germans spent a lot of money, and then they decided, no, this is actually everybody should go for napping so that the mind will be fresh and they will work with more enthusiasm. Oh, we don't know. All such things are said through Yogi Pratyaksha. So what he says is, ye bhavan arshena chakshusha yogi pratyakshena pasyanti atitan anagatan tesham vachanam anumanena nabadhyate. If you bring anumana pramana and want to refute everything, nothing stands. But for yogi pratyaksham, don't bring this anumana pramana. Because in Khandana Khandakharya, through anumana pramanam, almost like Sri Harsha was refuting everybody. Oh, he said, this Akshapada is there, no? What is his another name? Nyaya Darshanam. Nyaya Darshanam is
Gautama.
Gautama. He says this is the best name given to him. Gauhu means bull. Tama means the best. Prashasya. The best bull. Sri Harsha calls the author of Nyaya Darshanam has the best bull. Gautamaha. I don't know who gave the name, but it is the best name. He said. He deserves it 100%. That is his opinion.
नैषधीय चरिते अस्ति महोदय
नैषधीय चरिते ninth sarga while refuting the Yasa, there itself I think this is there, not in Khandana Khandakharya. But in the Khandana Khandakharya, he says Sutlingandam Padam. Who said? You say Akshu Nadi, Pani Sotram. Who said? It is not so easy to refute Padani. Instead of refuting Padani, you yourself can do a matching work. So the same language that is analyzed by Panini, you are using. That is just to show that he was so strong in Tarka. Otherwise, who wants to come and refute Panini? Because we don't find a single person who could have command upon 1130 branches of Veda, plus all the other Vidyasthanas. It was only Panini. So Shankaracharya said, my God, under third Sotram in Brahma Vijay, Advaita Vedanta, that Shastra Yonitva. There, Shankaracharya said, Paninyadinamiva, Panini, Jaimini, etc., Nyayayika Desha. When you ask a scholar to give a lecture, he gives you, he reveals you just a part of what he knows, not completely. It is Loka Prasiddham. I am not, Shankaracharya, I am not saying this. People in the Loka are saying this. Panini knows what he revealed more than what he revealed to us. Who else can do those dhatus only? In that sense only you will get this. Who? Is it a joke? So, Yogi Pratyaksha. In Mimamsa, initially they said, Yogi Pratyaksha is not this. But later, even Kumar Bhatta said, Yogi Pratyaksha is also like Pratyaksha. But initially tell me, why did you refute Yogi Pratyaksha? Huh? What do you want? I am asking Mimamsakas. But later Mimamsakas, Bhatta Hasyam, etc., if you study books, there he said, No, yoga protection is there. Refute. Okay, you refute. Partly we did not do. Let us say now you start compiling one Vyakaranam for Sanskrit Shabdas. Can you do the Sushruta? He says only 12 and 11 instruments are required for a surgical operation. Only 11. And there are stones in the gallbladder. Simply, why are you cutting time and again the stomach or whatever it is? Sell this thing and make them powder. With urine, it will go out. And there is someone is born with some deformed position, ears or that is not a problem at all. Can you speak like that? That's when you tell me. Can you use the words? What? Deformed position. Ear is not fine. That is not a problem. There is what today these people call plastic surgery. Okay, you do. The simple question. If anybody comes and argues like Russia, etc. Okay, Baba, now you are a great scholar. Come on, you write down. Start doing. Which language you have good command upon? Which language you feel comfortable? Do matching work. 4 sutras are enough. Don't try 4,000 sutras like mine. 4 will do. Let us start. This is all actually ahankara only, nothing else. We have such a limited capacity, that only. So, there he says, and then Nagesh Bhatta quotes from whatever I said from Manusmriti, those verses he quotes. Nagesh Bhatta. यदि तर्हि शिष्टाः शब्देषु प्रमाणं किम् अष्टाध्याय्या क्रियते? Shishtas are in Paspashanika, Patanjali actually raised up a question. The Sishyas were asking the question, what is the purpose of Vyakarana? Shabdajnana. Which Shabdajnana? Vaidika Shabdajnana. We have just completed Vedas, learning Vedas. Vedas know Vaidika Shabda. In Loka, we are speaking in Sanskrit, so we also know Laukika Shabdas. So, Anarthakam Vyakarana. एवं विप्रतिपन्न बुद्धिभ्यः आचार्यः सुहृद्भूत्वा अन्वाचिष्टे. Who is Suhrit? In 6th Adhyaya, Bhagavad Gita, Shankaracharya says, without expecting anything in return, who helps others, he is a Suhrit. Mitram is a different Suhrit. Anyway, so here similar question. Yadi tarhi Shishtaः Shabdeshu Pramanam, Shishtas are there. We are moving with Shishtas. So we know Shabda. Kim Ashtadhyaya kriyate. What this Ashtadhyaya is doing? Why should Panini unnecessarily write such kind of Shastram and force us to study all that, which is very difficult to understand? And all that. Then he says, Shishta Parigyanartha Ashtadhyaya. Again, Paraspara Shriya. Shishta Parigyanartha. If you study Ashtadhyaya, you can easily identify who are Shishtas. Katham punah Ashtadhyaya Shishtaः Shakya Vijñātam. Through learning Ashtadhyaya, it is possible to identify Shishtas. How? Ashtadhyayim Adhiyanaha, the one who is learning Ashtadhyaya, Anyam Pashyati Anadhiyanam. He looks at a person who is not learning Ashtadhyaya. Yeva asyam vihitaha tan shabdan tan prayunjan. One person is studying Ashtadhyaya. The other did not study Ashtadhyaya, but employing the shabdas that are analyzed by Ashtadhyaya. Is it clear? One is studied, the other did not study, but the latter is employing the shabdas tan prayunjan. Saha pashyati, he looks. Pashyati means alochayati. Nonam, certainly, asya devanugraha. Devanugraha may be there. And for Nastikas, he says Swabhava. Okay, if you do not accept Deva, no problem. It is his nature. As if he has got great nature. So, Nonamasya devanugraha Swabhava yaha ayam, which this person, nacha ashtadhyayim adhite, he is not studying Ashtadhyayi. Yecha asyam vihitaha shabdaha, the shabdas which are analyzed in this Ashtadhyayi. Tanscha prayinte, he is employing those the same shabdas which are analyzed in Ashtadhyayi without studying Ashtadhyayi. Nonam ayam anyanyaphi janati. He used only some shabdas. What does it mean? Must be knowing other shabdas also. This is not the only list of shabdas. Evam esha shishta parigyanartha ashtadhyayi iti. Like this, one can identify, recognize is shishta through the knowledge of Ashtadhyayi. Babaji, now are you satisfied with the explanation? Earlier you were asking what is Paraspara dosha, etc.
Yes, Acharya. Thank you.
Mahabhashya means it. Mahabhashya Padhir, Maharajya Padhir. Ask your children to rule become emperor and rule a great country. Or ask them to study Mahabhashya. So Bhashyanta Vyakarana. He called a grammarian who studied down to Mahabhashya. That is a specific qualification. What is he? He is a Vyakarana. No, Vyakarana, Bhashyanta Vyakarana. That means till Mahabhashyam, he studied all the works. Any doubts?
Extended Aryavarta.
Actually what happens is, see, people are not stable there. They have come down to south of Vindhya also and went in all other directions also. Because in South India itself, you will find people performing these Sandhyavandanam, Vedadhyanam, the karmas that are prescribed by Veda. Dana, Japa, and all these things, isn't it? Even performing yagas, yajnas, Nityagnihottram, all these people. So, Patanjali was telling long ago what was the situation. Long ago. But after that, Patanjali is not sitting there to just look what is happening, where are they moving, etc. Jatasya dhruva mrityu dhruvam janma mrityusya. You cannot go on, isn't it? So, now we people have come down from that Aryavarta. So you have to take extended Aryavarta. One more. In Pani Sutras itself, Pani was taking up extended Aryavarta. Because in Mimamsa, this is discussed. I may send you that discussion which I had in taking Mimamsa and Vyakaranam. In BVP, I put Bharatiya Vidyapariषद, I sent. So there Rajani Shabda is there. Gurvachana Brahmanadibhya Karmani kya Vanasotram Pani Adhar. Okay, later Pachanta Purohitadibhyo Yako. Here he put one Rajan Shabda, there also he put another Rajan Shabda, but said Raja se, Asama se, Rajan Shabda will get Yak Prachiya. Why? The discussion was taken up by Shiva Swami in Mimamsa Bhashyam. It was discussed deeply. So, Rajan, who is Rajan, Prajarakshana, etc., whoever has been doing, is Raja according to Manusmriti. In that sense, not in Aryavarta, people were using the Shabda Rajan. But in Dakshinadi, that not the south of Vindhyas, people were, they were calling a person who was ruling. He may be a Shudra, but he was ruling the country, so he is Raja. That is the meaning of Rajan Shabda. One thing. Second thing is, under in that Sotram, Pashtadhyaya, Pashtupada itself, Sarasi Shabda, Sarasi Saransa, Sarasi Shabda is there, isn't it? Sarasi is a Shabda that is being used in Dakshinapatha. Dakshinapatha is the area Hyderabad, Telangana, where we are living. The south of Vindhyas. So south of Vindhyas, Shishtas are using the term Sarasi. And if you take up Naishadhi Charitam, Sarasi Parishilitum Maya, Gamikami Kritanayi Kani Vrata, Atithitva Mana Yisadrisho, Sarasat Sangshayago Charodari. Whether she had the waist or not, Sata Asat. Astinasti Vichikitsa Hetu. In Telugu poems, I will give on some other occasion. The verse is given two translations in 2 poems for the sake of it. So, Sarasi Parishilitum. So, Sarasi Shabda is not being used in Aryavarta, but it is there beyond Vindhyas. South, if you go south, it is taken up and discussed by Katyayana and Patanjali. So what happens? You have to take extended Aryavarta. Because the same people with the same dharmas, all is not possible. Because under 9th Sutram, Patanjali says, Abrahmanamanetyukte Brahmanamatrasyanayam prapnoti. If somebody asks you, Abrahmanam anaya, what does it mean? Brahmana bhinna kshatriyadi. Isn't it? No, not necessary. You can bring any Brahmana and say he is an Abrahman. What does it mean? It is not so easy to follow all the niyamas prescribed for a Brahmana by everybody. Only some niyamas we can follow, others not. Isn't it? So whatever is possible, we have been doing here, but we are trying to maintain the Shabda Sadhatva by pronouncing the Bhasha, even Telugu or Hindi, whatever it is, we try to make it suitable to that grammar. And in Puja, Panaskara, etc., although there was a case in Chennai long ago that Tamil should be used for Puja, etc., in Devalayas and all that, he court refused. Then there were white people. Then they said, no, only Sanskritam should be. Otherwise, tomorrow another person comes and says, I want to perform Puja in Hindi, in Telugu, another in Kannada, Malayalam, everybody himself. That is not acceptable. So we have been following Sanskritam only carefully as far as possible, because Yatha Shakti. Dharma Yatha Shakti. Any doubts? Sai Krishna?
Nothing, Acharya.
Your action with Haryavartha is satisfied, okay, satisfactory. If you want to study different Shastras and sustain whatever theory or thesis is there. Any doubts, please? Lakshmi did not attend. Because what happens is tomorrow we have to counter people. Now it is dead. In my book, Series of Language Oriental and Occidental, I have clearly stated these things. Yesterday I told you now. So after that, nobody has come forward. So after 150 years, the AIT or Aryan invasion theory is buried. Leave it there. If somebody is not following these dharmas nowadays, it is not my mistake. It may be Kali Yuga Dharma. It may be they did not get Guru Upadesha. It may be they got, Patanjali uses the word Durupadesha. Wrongly, they are not wrong preaching. There may be so many reasons. Babaji, I think you have to leave. So today's this class is useful now, because different things we are getting illuminated. That is what happens only.
It was very interesting, this Aryavrat explanation.
So only Sotram, Parachaya, Prakriti, and only Karakam, etc. Any class in university also for MA, etc. also, they use it to ask, especially girls, some other subjects like Ayurveda, etc. Then I use it to tell them, can one kill one person? They said no. No. In Atmarakshana, under Indian Penal Code 100, you can kill a person. Actually, these girls and boys have to be taught at early age stages. So tomorrow when you go to the court and the judge asks you, why did you kill? In Atmarakshana, I kill. Case is dismissed. Otherwise, under 302, Indian Penal Code, I have appeared for examination in the Indian Civil Services, ICS. Then I studied all branches of including, and I argued my own case in the court. And I won. Now, through quoting Mimamsa, I got loan from LIC, Life Insurance Company. No, they said they already have a loan, so you are not eligible. Then I said, think in other way. No, it is strictly just there. But just to calculate, while calculating Manasika, Kala doesn't stop, but you have to stop Kala for 1 minute. Then whatever loan I have taken, cut it. Then what appears before you? Nil. Then you can give. That manager could not understand, but said, Baba, you take the loan. Or you have your name on site. In Loka also we can use Shastras. So, anything else?
Acharya, in Wikipedia, if we type Andhra Pradesh, it is said that Andhras are the people who came from banks of Yamuna, and it is stated in Aitareya Brahmana
Brahmana.
of Rigveda. Is
Aitareya
it
Brahmana.
yes, sir. Is it true or?
No, no, what happens is actually need not run to Aitareya Brahmana and some other Brahmana. Generally, people go this bus. See, they want to earn my money now. People are going to America and other countries. What to say about India? Huh? So, I mean, Andhra Shabda is there in Mahabharata, Aitareya Brahmana, certain places. Whether it is the same Andhra Shabda or what it is, you have to check. And it is a waste of time. What will you get by that? Is it Jnana?
I was just reading about that.
No, no, read. Read whichever is useful. Om Namo Parnagacchaya Namo Shabda Vyasam Pradayakam Jyom 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 Shubham Bhuyat.